Good morning, Woody here from Holmes Beach. Today we're installing and finishing up our install. We tore off an asphalt shingle. It's been, well, it had a tarp on it since after the hurricanes. Tore off asphalt shingles. We're standing on the flat roof that we replaced. Did a 16-inch standing seam galvalume finish over here. You can see our beautiful view that we get up here as a roofer, and it's just an absolute beautiful view all the way around it out here in Holmes Beach. Spring break traffic's a little bit goofy, but you know, it's have to be expected down here in Florida where everybody wants to be. But one of the best details that we got going on here with this big old flat roof is that you can see how we have everything laid out and it's all pitched each way. So that way when this water runs this way, it's gonna go this way, and you have one lap that goes against the other lap. And that way it's all staggered and hipped out. That way we have no backup and wrong seams. So when you have a complicated job, if you're out on the beach, if you're on the mainland, if you're in the country, or have cows, or have a canal in the backyard, we don't care. When you want your job done right and get great customer service, please find us, follow us, look for us here at GMR Metal Roofs and Construction, and we're glad to help and give you a free estimate on all your construction needs. So thank you and have a blessed day.